We're just going through, and we can see that we have one of our greats here, one of the greatest soccer players right here. When I used to go to school, Mr. Hugh Williams, otherwise known as Mr. Bobby. So I think I can see, I know that you're a security kind of guy, but also you're interested in making Jamaica organic. So what do you have to say today, Mr. Bobby?
Yallahs always.
Yallahs always.
Patriotic to the poor. Yallahs.
All right. Let's up. Upset tax all the way. And as you can see, eat what you grow what you eat organically. And this is one of the men that has been in the business for a long, long time, always at all the shows and everything. Mr. Go, how you doing, sir? And I can see you're always pushing organic. You're eating what you grow right here in Jamaica. We're very proud to have you here today, sir. And as you can see, we're love, all about love. All kind of cooking oil, as you can see right here. All right, thank you, sir. All right, we're live right here with our dancing security and everything. And here we have one of our top directors in Yallahs Civic Committee, and they have been doing a marvelous job today. So what you have to say to St. Thomas?
Just come out to the festival and enjoy yourself.
All right. Let's go. All right, ladies.
But we just open the wall, the fire. One might be
Let's go organic. Eat what you grow what you eat. Right here in Jamaica, St. Thomas. And here is one of the people that's promoting organic all the way. And what you gotta say? This is the boss. What you gotta say for this?
Organic. Eat organic. Organic all the way.
Organic all the way. All right. Let's go organic all the way. The officers, they've been here all day, pulling out, having a good time. Lots of million. Eat what you grow what you eat. You know, million, everything right here in Jamaica, live in St. Thomas, Yallahs. As you can see, this is the water slide. To get it going. Right now, it's the first part of it. Live at the Yallahs Chicken Festival. And this is a snow crew. Now tell us a little bit about what's going on here and which crew is this? The snow crew.
Lord of mercy. I said, I told me gone. I'm in no God to fall. When I got that clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Hey, some will hate you. Pretend they love you now. Then behind you, they try to eliminate you. But ooh, just bless. I'm missing, oh my God. Thank God we're passed away in preference and parasite. Hey, they will try to take a bite. Oh, but if the night should turn to day, a lot of people would run away.
Getting from the west, it's a bump on my chest. To be up to confess, Ganja is the best. Blaze a slip on your day of rest. Why they demonize it and not depressed? Mistaken legalize it to make progress. Manifest the potential this block possess. Cannabis activist, so I protest against the laws that make no sense. Some refuse to talk to the topic so tense. So I bring it up every chance that I get. Oh yes, I am ready, so blessed. Get ready with the fire, make we light it up again. Come on, a red-eye Jedi, stand firm on my step light. Jetty gonna take flight. Now, who wants to get high? Man, a red-eye Jedi, stay away from the dark side. Jetty in the best vibes. Yo, run the next track, run the next rhythm. Something to lose this style. Tell you about me. Yo. I'm the mentor. Musical shark attack relentless, English member. The sea say who left the fences. I suggest you surrender. Come together with competitors and make each other better. Keep it cool, man. Watch your temper. Do concentration in every letter. No preparation before you enter. Waiting patiently from January until December. Remember whatever. Keep it clever in every endeavor. Light up the ember. Burn them like hot pepper. Rough and harsh like Scottish weather. But we are never done yet. The fire run them. Keep on singing, I'm producing until the sunset, sunrise. We live on the mic, living it up every day and every night. Run, it on to the maximum. If you want, then you just gotta ask for some. Something blaze fire, pass it along. Pass up this heaven, we are heading Mount Zion. Pick things gun. Run, it on to the maximum. If you want, then you just gotta ask for some. Something blaze fire, blaze fire, blaze. Yo, run the next minute.
Yeah, fully representing. Boom. Hey, chop. What's that? Yeah. Why can't you to me when that is with things like that? Yo, text my gamuda stepping at them face with me shows. And I'm a weed and I see buckle of those. Me firm and steady, I mean me back and close. Yeah, to all my friends, them I'm a boss and now me get them a Paris up on the planet to get ready for my frigate up. Sicker than Tupac and Outlaw and big it up. Select a boy, nobody will, nobody listen up. Stepping at the dance and all the man them just a pray. All the wanna bees and bumble bees, them man a fail. Stand guard, we no like how some haters a pray. Make no magic and them disappear like a day. Miss a girl no live belly, me no talk it out from your step to me. Ever ready and have the arts, you no clean soul. You no broke one that and a glass. Them a flip and a lip up, you no see say them a just ass. All them a fi do a hold me down, now a me shiny, no chat rubbish. She say the 19th and me rhyme. Set originality so you can defend the imitate. People never crossing on me. Because me sicker than the whole of them. Play still, me better than the whole of them. Whole last me, I got over the whole of them. That's on your bad wheel and come again. Pull it up and let you know because they getting out of everything. Start out and the things so proper. Caught me a pull them a flip back to stop a head crab up like Mad Max in a top shutter. Listen how me flow and how me kill them with clear lyrics. Like I tell me to just straight up. Me a lyricist, but that than get gonorrhea and syphilis. So my time to shine this year, me say. They cover the whole place like the Giselle. Here business call come into myself. So oh no like me can run into rebel. I gotta sign me a piece of owner going up. Smoking on the window.
Sad memories, oh. You're gone and it hurts us, but me know you're gone for a good purpose. In my dream, you tell me don't cry, cause you're trusting on the powers of the Most High. It was such a cruel act to take away someone like you in just a snap. Hey, me never see ya, but you drop. Hey, but Father God was on the watch. That very night you were attacked. I said I wish I could have turned back the ends of time. I wish everything could have started over back. I miss you so much and it makes me cry. You were a good friend of me, boy you that. Sad memories, it's breaking apart. Sad memories, hey, it's tearing me apart. Sad memories, it's breaking apart. Sad memories, hey, it's tearing me apart. Right now we can't believe so that you gone and sister gone. Right now we can't believe so that you gone and Father gone. It's breaking apart and crying. It's tearing me apart. Inside I'm dying. Sad memories, hey, it's breaking apart. Sad memories, hey, it's tearing me apart. I hope one day I'll see your face again. Through the darkest cloud, I'll see your smiling face. Said I hope one day I'll see your face again. Through the darkest cloud, I'll see your smiling face. Sad memories, it's breaking apart. Sad memories, hey, it's tearing me apart. Sad memories, it's breaking apart.
General.